As the old adage goes, necessity is the mother of invention, and this is what this dressing is. It's a parsley and chive vinaigrette. See how this tastes. It's about a half a bunch of parsley, but I'd say about a half a cup of whole chive. The zest and juice from 1 lemon, some Dijon, a zesty amount, salt, not too much because we're gonna add something that's very salty, a good amount of pepper, anchovy fillets. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, neutral oil, just to get it started. Now we blend. All right, remind me to get a new spatula because this one's about to break. But, so again, like with most sauces, in dressings, you're gonna have to scrape down the bottom. Because what I'm gonna add now is olive oil and a neutral oil. So this is a vinaigrette and not so much like a aioli or an emulsification. So it will emulsify, but it's not the end of the world if it doesn't. You're making a dressing. If you wanted to, you could add egg yolk to make it more like a Caesar dressing. And this basically, that's kind of what it is, like an herby Caesar dressing. Now I'm just gonna make a salad with some of the stuff I had lying around. This dressing you can use for any type of salad. We're gonna use some of the herbs. Just rough chop them. Now this time I will take off the stems on this, but don't throw them away. You can use them for your soups, stocks. Rough chop again. Then again, I'm gonna chop some green onion, rough chop, kind of substitute it in for the onion. Just throw that in. Then we're gonna add some greens. Not too much. I'm just one man. But like I've mentioned before, I actually really love salad. What kind of kills it is all the other stuff I put into it. The dressings, the toppings, whatnot. Now I might be in the minority, but I rarely peel my carrots. I wash them, just don't peel them. Gonna add some seasoned and fried potatoes. I got some sesame sticks and some cashews. What the heck? I got some crispy garlic. Why not? My bread's gonna smell amazing. Some shredded Parmesan. I'm gonna add the rest of the anchovies. Oh yeah. And a little bit of the oil. Always remember to season your salads. This is not for it's just for the veggies. You don't have to put too much salt because the cheese already has salt and so will the dressing. Now the moment everybody's been waiting for, the dressing. Oh, my mouth is absolutely salivating. Other things you can put in there would be sweet potatoes, roasted sweet potatoes, roasted chickpeas. You can put some croutons, which I probably will add, apples. Make sure to break up those anchovies. Salty. It's sour. It even has some umami because of the anchovies. Herby. Hot summer day. I'm gonna finish this. I'll see you guys later. Guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow for more recipes. I got an ebook in the description and in the bio on my YouTube and Instagram. Check us out on Instagram, TikTok, Kingston Hannibal on all the socials. Right, potato is actually really good in this. Kill a Cook free recipe ebook. There's a link in my bio, link in the description.